Friends, Galaxy A71 comes with Android 10.0, One UI 2 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor with octa-core 2.2 GHz with GPU Adreno 618. Whereas Oppo A53 5G runs Android 10, ColorOS 7.2 and powered by MediaTek MT6853V processor with 2.0 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G57MC3. If you see the display of this device, you can find 6.7 inches screen size with Super AMOLED display that comes with resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 393 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection. Whereas Oppo A53 5G, it is 6.5 inches device with LTPS IPS LCD display having resolution 2400 by 1080 pixels with 405 ppi pixels density. Talking about the internal memory, then Samsung Galaxy A71 is available in two variants. One is 128GB with 6GB RAM and the other variant is with 128GB with 8GB RAM. That also supports microSD up to 1TB with dedicated slot. Friends, as far as concerned about colors for this device, then it is produced in prism, crush black, silver, blue and pink colors. Moving on to Oppo A53 5G, it is available in two variants of primary storage, that is 128GB with 4GB RAM and other one is also with 128GB but with 6GB RAM. But there is no microSD support in this device. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in black, green and purple colors. If we talk about the dimension of Samsung Galaxy A71, it measures 163.6 by 76 by 7.7 mm of height, width, thickness and 179 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. Whereas Oppo A53 5G measures 162.2 by 75 by 7.9 mm of height, width, thickness and 175 grams of weight with dual nano SIM support. About the camera, then Galaxy A71 comes with quad camera like 64, 12, 12 and 5 megapixels with 1.8, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.2 aperture, wide and ultra wide with depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 30 or 240 frames per second and also equipped with 32 megapixels with 2.2 aperture with wide angle HDR secondary camera recording of 1080p at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Oppo A53 5G, it comes with triple primary camera setup with 16 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels with 2.2, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It comes with LED flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of 4K and Full HD at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and also equipped with 8 megapixels secondary camera with wide angle and 2.0 aperture that can record the videos of Full HD at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Samsung Galaxy A71 you can find under display optical fingerprint scanner with gyro, compass, accelerometer and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast battery charging with 25 watt. This phone is powered by non-removable 4500 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Oppo A53 5G, you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensor like accelerometer, compass, proximity, gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, hotspot, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, FM radio, GPS, USB, Type-C, USB on the go, charging 10 watts and non-removable 4040 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.